Final Round Eye Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get interviews wrong, not because they lack skills, but because they freeze under pressure. Final Round Eye claims to fix that using artificial intelligence, but does it really work in 2025? Final Round Eye is an interview preparation platform that uses AI to simulate real interview scenarios. You practice answering questions while the system analyzes your responses, tone, pacing, and clarity. The surprising truth about this tool is how realistic the feedback feels, especially for behavioral and technical interviews. One major benefit is personalization. The platform tailors questions based on your role, industry, and experience level. You won't believe what happens next when the AI highlights filler words, weak answers, or missed opportunities you didn't even notice. Another strong point is confidence building. Repeated practice with structured feedback helps reduce anxiety, which is often the biggest interview killer. Many users report feeling noticeably calmer after several sessions. However, most people get this wrong by expecting AI to replace human judgment. While Final Round Eye is powerful, it cannot fully replicate real human interviewers or company culture nuances. It also requires consistent practice to see results. Pricing can be another downside. Advanced features are locked behind paid plans, which may not suit casual users preparing for just one interview. In conclusion, Final Round Eye is a strong interview prep tool for job seekers who want structured practice and data-driven feedback. Used consistently, it can sharpen your answers and confidence, but it works best as a supplement, not a replacement, for real-world preparation.